Did you know that many healthy pet food myths are actually doing more harm than good for your furry friend? In the next minute, I'll debunk 3 of the most common pet food myths to ensure your pet gets the proper nutrition they need. First, grain-free pet food is healthier. Grains provide essential nutrients and fiber. Unless your pet has a specific grain allergy, there's no need to avoid grains. Some grain-free diets have even been linked to heart disease in dogs. Second, the more protein, the better. Excessive protein can stress your pet's kidneys and liver. Aim for a moderate amount of high-quality protein sources appropriate for your pet's life stage. Third, raw food diets are superior. While some pets do well on raw diets, they come with risks like bacteria contamination and nutritional imbalances if not formulated properly. Most vets recommend balanced, commercial cooked diets.